So yeah, yesterday we had a humorous and animated and engaging presentation by Lisa Ryan from Gratitude. I'm assuming that means grateful strategy or something.
Gratitude strategies.
Okay, there we go. So the subject was manufacturing engagement, smart strategies to keep your top talent from becoming someone else's. And I know that's important to most of us in manufacturing. So Lisa is an expert on employee engagement and practice of gratitude. And she's focusing on manufacturing, which is much needed, and trying to make manufacturing more attractive, I guess, is what we would say. And something that I learned last night about her is that she is actually a trained welder. So yeah, so anybody needs that sort of person, send an email to Lisa and she'll be happy to help you with that. So we all know that losing employees is an expensive thing. It's loss of knowledge, that tribal knowledge. Recruitment and training costs are expensive. There's a host of other costs associated with with losing people and hiring people that are hard to identify. So and evidently there's 10,000 boomers retiring every year.
Every day.
Every day,
Yes.
every day, leading to 5 million jobs in manufacturing that won't be replaced. So, some strategies perhaps to help in your recruitment efforts would be to use Facebook and your website and any other social channels that you might have to try and make your business look like a fun place to work. Do your best. That your business has a great culture. So she's explained there's 5 generations of workers right now in the workplace. There's the traditionalists, or the Gray's generation, which is before 46, simple, hard-working folk. Boomers from 46 to 64, which are workaholics. Congratulations. Gen X, which is 65 to 76, which are trying to balance life and work. A little cynical, that wasn't, sorry about that. Millennials, 77 to 95, this is our most educated group, and millennials are looking for feedback and for purpose. So they want to make sure that what they're doing has meaning. And Gen Z, born after 96, I guess we're still trying to figure that one out, so we'll get there. Employee engagement leads to job satisfaction. So leaders and manufacturers need to learn how to relate to their people. You need to look for ways to engage your employees and to connect in a meaningful way with your team. Notice them, appreciate them, and thank them. So some of the people, Rich Barton from Lodestone, where's Rich? Here he is. He mentioned that they do a peer-to-peer acknowledgement, and they do an Employee of the Month thing, which sounds very cool. Actually, I'm going to implement that. Sue Welch from Rubidoo said that she partners, Rubidoo partners with Habitat for Humanity to engage high school students. So they may notice people that are good from high school that they may want to have come to work for them, or basically showing high school students that manufacturing is and people that are involved in that are good folk. Ty Herbster from All Star. He does stay interviews. And Severio from Toratech, they're very flexible with the hours for their people in manufacturing. So that's a good thing. So Lisa has a 30-day gratitude challenge, and people that practice gratitude, according to Lisa, are happier and kinder and nicer, and they also exercise more. And people will notice that. So anybody that's interested can text her at 66866 with the word engage, and they can connect with her that way. Or if that fails, email always works. So, and just to close, Lisa ended with a quick life exercise that goes like this: thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Anyway, that's it for me.